Hello and welcome. Welcome to the wonderful world of photography. David Bradley here. At times over the years, I have put together sort of like postcards of sort of shots that I've taken over the course of a year, and this is one of them. This is, well, all kinds of things. Um, there are models, there are birds, there's a sunrise, there's a dog with a really long tongue. There's the shot of the cow exhaling, and the farmer checking out the damage, what's going on here, and all kinds of wonderful moments that, had I not captured them, well, they would be lost, forever lost. So, also there's a shot from, let's see here, a couple shots from outlaw bikers. Remember, anything to do with guns and things in any pictures of mine, they're not real guns. They're just not. They are fakes, they are props, they are part of TV things. Don't worry. No guns here. There is a shot. Oh, there's a railway crossing thing, and next to it is a train. And oh, the memories, the great moments captured. That's funny. There's one. I'm going to try and find a pen here, or something that I can point with better than my finger. I should have something here. Why don't I have something here? What I should have? Well, maybe I'll just use some solder. That might be good. All right. I don't know if you can see this. This one here. This dog. I saw it at the Kinmount Fair. I'd entered pictures in the Kinmount Fair. And, dear me, don't do that. And anyway, I was just going to pick them up when I saw this dog, and oh my word, look at that. Anyway, so I took a picture, which will now live forever. And it was a good thing, because by the time I was back next year to the Kinmount Fair, which is a great fair in Kinmount, Ontario, the dog had died. And when I went to pick up my pictures, the picture that I'd entered into the fair with the dog was gone. And I was like, what happened here? What happened? And of course, why was it gone? Well, the people who were running the contest, when approached by the people who owned the dog, who said, "That's our dog, and that dog died, and we miss that dog, and could we have the picture?" And they didn't have a chance to talk to me. They gave them the picture, and I thought that was just fine. I thought it was. It's funny, sometimes we run into creative differences. And this picture here, if you can see where I'm pointing, was when we had taken this model and sort of put her backwards into a pool and brought her out to make her makeup run, and she was surrounded by a black hood and such. And to me, I saw it and I looked at it and I said, she looks like a refugee. You know, the whole world has gone crazy. The whole world has gone bad. And, it's sort of like she just got off the ship. She's been on the ship for weeks and she needs help. The lady who was doing the makeup, of course, who was a rather pushy sort, decided that, oh, no, you can't call it that. Well, I took exception to that and said, look, it's my picture. I can call it whatever I want. And that is indeed the case. You are the artist. You may have other artists working with you, but stand your ground. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, this picture here. This was for a contest, and it was in a stairwell. And this fine model, who I've not seen now in years and eons now, nobody stayed still better than her. And, so you'd say, okay, hold that. And you could rearrange and redo and whatever, and she would not change. She would not move. And she was really great to work with. I don't know where she is now exactly. I just don't. Anyway, there are many other things here. This is one of my favorite sunrises, which is actually, sorry, it's a sunset. This down here is a sunrise. And then, of course, there are other people. This lady here, she needed a headshot. Oh, where are we? Oh, I'm kind of off. Can't really see the whole thing there. Okay. This fellow, this was on the show Outlaw Bikers. Kind of animated. Much like there. And, what else that I can see? See that the way I'm doing, I'm trying to find a background so I can shoot the whole thing, but I think these little crops are not a bad thing. Oh, I was going to pick up some wheels and tires down in the Niagara area, and it was a snowy, nasty day. And I saw this, and I said, I must shoot this. And I did. It's funny, as I look at some of the things in here. Oh, I see. I see things. Anyway, what else? Oh, this is also the same day down in Niagara. It was just the train crossing, and I wish it had been flashing, but it wasn't. There was no train there. So, what do you do? What do you do? What do you do? And remember, it's also, see, here's neutral space. I could have just shot it. I thought, no, I want that off at the side. And that is what I did. And then, of course, here we have this fine young lady. And she and I both agreed that we should shoot her wearing suspenders. And not much else. But the careful placement of suspenders ensures that while everything is seen, nothing is seen. I'll see if I can find a bigger version of that picture. I will see. Anyway, well, for this moment, that's about all I have to say about that. I will look for other compilations of other great pictures and single pictures, and we'll see you again. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.